They would steal fruits from the orchards and create a ruckus wherever they went. The villagers were at their wits' end, unable to stop the monkeys. But Max, the intelligent dog, had a plan. He knew exactly how to outsmart the mischievous monkeys. Max decided to disguise himself as a scarecrow and hide in the fields. When the monkeys came to steal the fruits, they were startled by the scarecrow.